Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video I'm going to be baking a Jamaican black cake. Some people call it Christmas cake or rum cake. Okay guys, yes. So in the description I'm going to be listing the ingredients and the amount that I use, so you can check down there for the ingredients and the amount. Okay, yes guys. So and this time I'm using 3 cups of sugar with my butter. Okay guys, yes. So in this video I'll be baking a 2-pound and a 3-pound fruit cake. Okay guys, yes. So I'm just creaming out my sugar and my butter with the mixer. Okay, yeah, I love to use a wooden spoon to do it, but because I wasn't feeling well, I just used my mixer to help me out today. Okay, yes. So I'm gonna be creaming out the sugar and the butter with the mixer and then continue with the wooden spoon, of course. Yes, so that's what I'm doing here. So after I finish creaming my butter, enough, all the sugar grains gone, so I start to use my wooden spoon to continue. So I'm going to be using 8 eggs in this recipe. So I'm just breaking the eggs in a dish. You see, that's the reason why I like to break the egg in a separate dish before I add it to the mixture, because sometimes shells can get inside when you're breaking it. So I do that, and in case you're breaking an egg and it's spoiled. Okay, so I use 8 eggs for this ingredients, and after I finish breaking the eggs, there you go again, another piece of shell. Okay, yeah, I'm not perfect with breaking eggs. Okay, yeah. So after I finish breaking the eggs, I'm going to be putting a little lime juice in there because I didn't have any orange zest or no lemon zest. So I used some lime juice in the egg and mix it out a little. Okay, so I'll be adding the egg to the mixture a little at a time. It helps to continue to smooth out the sugar and the cream. Okay guys, yes. So guys, I always leave my butter out overnight to let it melt and get soft enough so I can use the next day for baking. Okay, yes. Like I said, I'll be adding in the egg a little at a time and the mixture. Okay. And continue to smooth out the sugar and the butter to get it at a creamy consistency. So now I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla to the mixture as well. So that will do it for all my liquid ingredients. So I just add that to the mix and then start mixing away. So now I move on to my dry ingredients. So I'll be using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. So I'm sieving the flour before I add it to the mixture. I sieve it. Okay, guys. Yes. So after adding with the flour, I had a tablespoon of mixed spice to it as well, and I also add 2 tablespoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. That's what I use for my dry ingredients. I'm just going to add that to the cake mixture that I already have. Okay, guys. Yes. So now I'm going to be adding my dry ingredients and my liquid ingredients. I'm going to be putting it a little bit at a time. I'm not just going to dump it all in there. And to remember, you mix and you cut to make sure that everything mix out properly inside the mixing, inside the ingredients, I should say. Okay, guys, yes, you just put it a little at a time. Mix and cut, mix and cut. Okay, until you finish mixing it out. So now I'm just gonna give it a taste test, guys. You have to make sure that it's good. Yes. Let's see now. So now I'm just gonna be adding in my browning in there. So now, guys, with the browning, you can add as little or as much as you want to. It's how you dark or how light you want your cake to be. That's the amount of browning that you put in there. Some people like their one dark, and some people like their one just light brown. Okay, guys, yes, it's all up to you right here how much browning you want to put in the mixture. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more wine in my mixture. Okay, yeah, 'cause it was feeling a little thick, so I add a little bit more wine in there. Okay, I think about 2 times I add a little wine in it. Alright guys, it's all up to you how thick or how light you want your mixture to be, or how much wine you want to put in it. So I just add a little bit more wine to loosen it bits, little bits I should say. Yes, I'm just testing how the mixture is. So this was very good enough for me right now, and I'm just gonna taste and make sure everything was intact. Yes, so it's good enough at this moment. So I'm just finish mixing it out, make sure everything is incorporates good and evenly. Alright, yes, I'm testing, I should say testing the mixture. Alright guys, yes, so I'm gonna spray my tin. I use a 2 pound tin and a 3 pound tin, so I'm using my cooking spray to spray my pan. You can use butter and to grease it as well. Okay guys, yes, so I'm just using my cooking spray to grease my pan before I add my mixture to the pan. Alright, yeah.
I'm going to say Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you dear old man?
Remember when you add your mixer to shake the pan and to fluff it out to make sure no air bubbles are in there. Alright guys. Okay, so there I am, I'm finished adding to my 2 pan. Alright, yes, I'm just gonna add my cake to my oven. Alright, yes, and then you turn on the stove and make this oven going heat up before you add the cake. So here we are, I'm finished, it's all done, turned out great. So now when the cake come out and it's hot, I'm gonna be spraying it with some rum and wine that I had in my spray bottle. I had rum and wine in there, so I'm just gonna spray my cakes with the rum and wine. Alright guys, yes, those all are from me testing the cake. Okay guys, yes, so testing the cake to make sure they were baked. Okay, yes, I just sprayed with some rum and some wine. Okay, yes, so I will keep it to cool for at least 2 to 3 hours, and before I slice into it so that you guys see how well it turned out. Okay, so there it is, looking all lovely and everything. So I'm just giving it a slice so you guys can see it. Alright, yes. On top, there you are guys. It's very nice, very spongy. There you go. There's a better look at it. Look at it. Look how great it turned out. Moist. And trust me guys, it tastes so good. It was very moist and nice. I truly did enjoy it. Alright guys, I hope you try this recipe as well, and let me know how you think it turned out. Let me know. Alright, there you go. Merry Christmas Black Fruit Cake. Remember to like, to comment, and to subscribe to the channel. I catch you in another video. Bye.